Adobe Photoshop offers several advantages for individuals interested in graphic design, photography, or digital art. Here are some key benefits. Number 1, powerful image editing. Adobe Photoshop is the industry standard software for image editing and manipulation. By learning Photoshop, you gain access to a wide range of powerful tools and features that allow you to retouch, enhance, and modify image with precision and creativity. Number 2, versatility. Photoshop is a versatile tool that can be used for various purposes. Whether you want to create stunning digital artwork, design website, edit photos, or develop marketing materials, Photoshop provides the necessary tools and capabilities to bring your ideas to life. Number 3, professional grade design. Adobe Photoshop allows you to create professional looking designs and graphics. By learning the software, you can develop skills in creating logos, posters, brochures, social media graphics, and more, giving you a competitive edge in the design industry. Number 4, creative expressions. Photoshop provides a platform for creative expressions, allowing you to experiment with different techniques, styles, and effects. You can explore digital painting, photo manipulations, collage creations, and other artistic endeavors, unleashing your imaginations and pushing the boundaries of visual storytelling. Number 5, enhance career opportunities. Proficiency in Adobe Photoshop is highly valued in many industries, including graphic design, advertising, photography, and web development. Learning Photoshop can open up a wide range of career opportunities, whether as a freelance designer, in house creative professionals, or even starting your own design business. Number 6, integrations with other Adobe Creative Suite tools. Adobe Photoshop seamlessly integrates with other Adobe Creative Suite tools like Illustrator, InDesign, and Lightroom. Learning Photoshop can enhance your workflow and enable you to work across multiple software applications, expanding your creative possibilities. Number 7, valuable transferable skills. Learning Adobe Photoshop not only equips you with a specific software skills but also develops important transferable skills. These include problem solving, attention to detail, visual communications, and understanding of design principles, which can be applied to various creative projects and industries. Number 8, access to online resources and communities. Adobe Photoshop has a vast user community and numerous online resources, tutorials, and forums available. This means you can easily find support, inspirations, and valuable learning materials to further develop your Photoshop skills and stay up to date with the latest trends and techniques. Remember to practice regularly and explore different projects to fully reap and advantages of learning Adobe Photoshop. Thank you. I am Kalhara Mulamure.